Howdy, this is Ross, and I'll talk to you a little bit today about the genetic algorithm. The genetic algorithm is actually a type of local search algorithm that mimics evolution by taking a population of strings, which encode possible solutions, also called individuals, and combine them based on a fitness function to produce individuals that are closer to the solution. So let's break that definition down. First, we have an initial population of individuals. Different individuals have different traits. These traits are encoded as strings, or in our case we just have biological traits. These traits are also evaluated according to a fitness function that determines how likely these individuals are to reproduce, or in the algorithm's terms, it basically means that they're closer to whatever goal we're trying to reach with the algorithm. The least fit individual will be dropped out of the population and no longer able to reproduce, while the remaining individuals go through a crossover state. In crossover, the individuals reproduce, and a random crossover point is chosen that will be used to mix the genetic information, or the strings, of the different individuals into their offspring. The next step in the algorithm is mutation, where the string of traits are iterated over, and each trait, or part of the string, may change with a very small probability. Now we have our new generation of individuals. So we check if any of the individuals have met the goal criteria, or have achieved a level of fitness that we want, and if there does exist an individual, then we stop the algorithm, else we keep running through another generation. So all that's kind of boring and complex, and what does it all mean? So we have a story to kind of illustrate how the genetic algorithm actually works. So here are some snakes, and here are some dragonflies, which are the only food in the area. These dragonflies are poisonous, and the snakes can only get to them if they can fly. We'll have to run our algorithm until our snakes develop resistance to poison, grow wings to fly, and grow feathers to help them achieve lift. A lot of the times with genetic algorithms, though, we won't know what kind of solution we're looking for. So with our initial population, we see that we have one snake with poison, another one with wings, one with a beak, and another one with feathers. The snake with the lowest fitness has been cast out of the population, and the remaining snakes reproduce. The snake that was evaluated the highest will reproduce twice. The children snakes that are reproduced have some of the traits from each parent. After the first round of the algorithm, we have a snake with a fitness of 66%. Next group's fitnesses have increased, but we still don't have the three traits we're looking for. After one more run, we finally have a snake that meets all our criteria.